This is the never-ending journey to the waterfall. Look, babe, look at the camera. She's like, damn it, Daddy. Why are you doing this to me?
I'll be there.
Yeah, but as they say, man, good things come to those who act. And right now we're at a point where we're running out of stable rock here.
Whoa.
Okay. Caught that on camera. Little stabilization. All right. Okay, so Trail Master is about to go in the water. We're there, babe. Oh, this is nice and cold. Oh. All right. Yeah, that was a quick halfway blooper. That was what they call an outtake. Oh, now that waterfall is pretty cool. We're gonna have to get over there real quick on the way back. We got to get to the main attraction first. Is that a sneeze?
Yes.
Oh, bless you, babe.
Thank you.
Yeah. One day we'll get there. Oh. Woo. Yeah, I thought about bringing my tennis shoes instead, but I was like, flip-flops will work. Up into the slip, that is. Ooh. Okay, now what? We climb. Oh, great. I told you. Oh yeah. We'll just have to cross here, I guess. Or here. I think we'll cross here.